How to turn on comments on YouTube after uploading video. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, you can simply go to your profile of your YouTube account and go on settings. Click on your profile and click on YouTube Studio. Once you click on YouTube Studio, you can see a list of various things. So just click on content and all the videos that you have posted will be shown over there. So just click on the video whose comment you want to turn on. Either click on it or you can see the option of details over there. So just click on that and scroll all the way down. Then you can see at last the comments are disabled. So just click on allow comments or hold potential inappropriate comments for review, and that's how you can turn on comments on YouTube after uploading video. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.